Tired of complicated international payments and dreaming of snagging most wholesale deals on 1688? Let's dive into how to effortlessly pay with Alipay. First things first, you'll need both a registered 1688 account and a verified Alipay account. Make sure you've got those set up. It is super important. Head to the 1688 website, browse your desired products, and add them to your cart like you normally would once you're ready to pay. Proceed to the checkout. At the checkout, you'll find several payment options. Look for the Pay with Alipay option. Click on it. If you aren't already logged into your Alipay account, you will be prompted to do so. Enter the email and password details for your Alipay account, or use your mobile app login option. If prompted, you will need to bind your Alipay account with your 1688 account. You might see a QR code displayed on your screen. If using your computer, open the Alipay app on your smartphone, scan the QR code, and follow the instructions to link the accounts, confirming your identity. The next step is key currency conversion and payment confirmation. Alipay usually handles currency conversion automatically. Check the displayed exchange rate before finalizing the transaction. Transparency matters. You'll see the amount in your local currency. Double-check the amount, delivery address, and all the details before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, confirm your payment, and you will enter the password for your Alipay account. Then, the payment should go through successfully, and you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations! You've successfully paid on 1688 with Alipay. Now, sit back, relax, and wait for your wholesale goodies to arrive.